Good morning. I wanted to do a quick video today about excuses. I have so many people that call me and they say, Arja, I really want to start a business, but I just don't have enough money. Or I really want to start a business, but I don't know where I'm going to get funding from. Or I really want to grow my business, but I just don't have enough money. That is an excuse. I want to tell you that there's many businesses that start on a shoestring budget. I mean, there's ways to get money. The thing about money, what most people don't understand is money is just a resource. So where you lack money, right? Figure out another resource that you have available to compensate for the money. You may not have the money to do the things that you want to do to jumpstart it the way you want to. That means you just have to work that much harder. Use another resource. Time is another resource. I mean, there's many other resources. Bartering, there's many people that barter for services. Come up with a bartering system. Figure out how much time, extra time you're going to have to use in order to get the things done that you need to get done. That is an excuse. Many businesses were started on a shoestring budget, and many successful businesses were started on a shoestring budget. And then there's many businesses that were started that were funded with a tremendous amount of money that have failed. So that is an excuse, guys. It really is an excuse. If you really want to do something, be determined to do it, set out to do it, and figure out how you're going to make it work. It's all about how determined you are and how much you really want it. If you really want it bad enough, you'll get out there and figure out a way to get it. That's my message for you today.